Dynamic filing cabinet structure. The best way to stay organized is to be organized from the start. ToDoMatrix helps with familiar and easy to use file cabinet, drawer, and folder filing structure. Professionals can create a custom structure which suits them best, featuring unlimited tasks within project folders, which reside within drawers. By design, it is simple and natural to put items into the proper folder from the beginning. Life is dynamic, and ToDoMatrix's structure is easily changed to keep pace. Folders can be moved from one drawer to another. Inside a drawer, folders can be rearranged using ToDoMatrix's drag and drop feature. Likewise, drawers can be rearranged within the cabinet. Of course, drawers and folders can be renamed at any time. The BlackBerry professional ultimately can juggle a large number of projects with ease, given the unlimited nature of ToDoMatrix's filing structure. Tasks are created two ways. A person may enter a task manually or use our injector capabilities found on the BlackBerry standard application menus such as email, inbox, phone log, and address book. To create a task manually, position your cursor on the desired folder, then press the C Create hotkey and enter the item. I will scroll up to put a quick due date on the item, and then I will click on the menu to save the item. Voila! A task is born. In my second example, an email has arrived that I would like to make into a task reminder for tomorrow. I click on the menu, choose Inject from ToDoMatrix, pick Email Headers plus Body, then pick the destination folder, and my email is injected as a task into ToDoMatrix. I set the due date for tomorrow using the Speed Date menu. I then decide that this item is important enough to deserve an alert, so I set the alert equal to the due date and time. Note that tasks offer the ability to set additional fields such as priority, status, and up to 2 additional alerts, as well as delegate information. In this case, I will change the priority to critical, and then click on the menu to save it, which instantly returns me to my email program where we started. Injection feature. Rex Wireless makes the professional as productive as possible by avoiding retyping through the use of the injectors. The injection functionality is offered in 7 spots on the BlackBerry, including the email inbox, telephone call log, contacts address book, web browser, calendar, memo pad, and the standard tasks applet. Here I'm reminding myself to return to the American Airlines mobile website tomorrow from the browser injector. The URL will be clickable within ToDoMatrix and allow me to launch the browser from there. Hotkeys. ToDoMatrix is designed to offer numerous shortcut hotkeys that let a person become a power user quickly. The most common ones are listed in the bottom footer, and pressing the H Help hotkey opens up the entire list available in the current view. We support the compressed shirt-type keyboard as found on the Pearl and the 7100 series BlackBerry units by mapping the Alt key in conjunction with the second letter on a key to access the hotkey. For example, Alt plus the GH key gives us the H Help hotkey function. If you scroll to the lower section on the dialog pop-up box, you can review the entire list of mapping for the shirt-type keyboards. Sorting tasks. ToDoMatrix offers many ways to sort tasks, and a person's last sort is remembered by individual folders. A powerful feature is drag and drop natural sorting, which lets the professional apply human sort logic to the view. A neat capability is that a folder can temporarily be resorted by priority, for example, but when you change the folder back to natural sort, the previous drag-drop order has been maintained. Finding folders quickly. Speedy navigation is essential. As a person's ToDoMatrix evolves, he or she usually winds up with an extensive structure of drawers and folders. Quick folder navigation is important for usability. Rex Wireless has created a neat hyper-jump folder navigation feature. To jump to another folder, press the J hotkey, type a few letters to narrow the folder list to only a few matches, and then click on your desired destination. Hyperjump is also used when moving a task from one folder to another. Finding tasks quickly. Quickly finding a specific task is also essential. ToDoMatrix offers several key features that help a person zoom to the right item. The first is a number of cross-matrix special folders found in the Views system drawer. Folders like Last Viewed let a person instantly return to items that they looked at most recently, sorted in most recent to least recent order. By pressing the L last hotkey, a person is immediately hyperjumped to this last viewed folder. Then pressing the same L hotkey repeatedly will step through each note for a detailed look. Another folder, the last edited view, returns a similar list but only showing items that have changed. When a desired note is found, pressing the E hotkey lets you edit it right away. Rex Wireless also has created a quick, intuitive, free-form find routine called Indie Search. A professional can access this feature by pressing the F Find hotkey. As a character string is typed, notes that do not match are eliminated from the view. At any time, the user can press Enter to return the remaining results to the found folder. Delegation. Delegation is a powerful concept in ToDoMatrix because it lets a person track items that they have asked others to do. When you create or edit a task, a delegate can be selected from your BlackBerry address book and imported into ToDoMatrix. This creates a special view folder for that delegate in the Delegates System drawer. The task can optionally be emailed to the delegate right from ToDoMatrix, and a due date can be assigned that may be different from the actual due date of the task. This is really helpful because the next time you're on a phone call with that person, it takes only seconds to look at all the items on that person's list and amaze them with your perfect recollection. Two leading task management thinkers are David Allen of Getting Things Done fame and Stephen Covey with 7 Habits of Highly Effective People and First Things First. Mr. Allen recommends superior process, while Mr. Covey advocates keeping one's eye on items of strategic, life-changing importance. Rex Wireless sees great value in both camps. ToDoMatrix supports both models simultaneously through the implementation of dimensions and combines them with our own focus on tracking delegated tasks. These dimension options, activated in profile preferences, allow a person to set fields within a task. The tasks are then presented in special alternate views, aggregating a list across the user's project folders. This is very helpful for task management masters who want to work efficiently, never looking at tasks unless they are next up and accomplishable. While Rex Wireless pre-configures several of these dimensions for GTD and Covey, a user is welcome to modify them and create their own system as they please. This topic is too in-depth for this video. We have written a task management best practices white paper which is posted on our front webpage for anyone that would like to think about optimizing their task management approach. Completed tasks. ToDoMatrix allows a person to mark tasks as completed using the D Done hotkey toggle, the Q Quick Status Change hotkey, or in this case, the Done button in the Alert pop-over window. Each folder has an option to either show or hide completed tasks from the active view. Then, a person can email themselves an archive log of the completed items by using the Email Completeds menu choice. After completed items are archived off, Purge Completed Tasks removes them from your ToDoMatrix database. Email to-dos or folders. A to-do or a folder of to-dos can be sent from ToDoMatrix to an email recipient. Several formats are provided, including a comma-delimited version that lets a person drop the information quite easily into other third-party programs such as Microsoft Excel spreadsheets. ToDoMatrix offers a powerful filtering system that makes short work of narrowing lists to just the tasks that you would like to see. Accessed using the K hotkey in the English version of ToDoMatrix, the subsystem allows the user to select one or more criteria and then apply the filter to the folder or drawer. When a filter is active, the title bar changes to blue and displays the filter in use. Note that folders remember the last filter used, making it easy to reapply a filter. Filters only have to be created once and then can be used across any of your ToDoMatrix folders or views. Using the filter system, one can quickly narrow one's field of view to items such as tasks with high priority and a context setting of at home. Quick Review Wizard. For any task management system to work well, daily and weekly reviews are essential. ToDoMatrix offers the Quick Review Wizard accessed using the N hotkey. Quick Review Wizard steps through any folder and allows the user to bump the due dates, skip items, or edit items sequentially. 1 bumps the date 1 day forward, 2 is 2 days, 7 is a week, and so forth. Note that the wizard has a unique set of hotkeys that can easily be reviewed by pressing the H Help hotkey. Wireless Always Safe Backup and Recovery. Rex Wireless licenses include complimentary Always Safe Backup and Recovery. If configured correctly, ToDoMatrix saves edited records to Rex Wireless's servers. This data is encrypted at a level that exceeds standards set by the United States Department of Defense. If your BlackBerry is ever lost or damaged, your ToDoMatrix database can be recovered on a replacement device with the correct username and password. Always Safe is also used when a person transfers their license from one BlackBerry to another, and when performing software updates and upgrades. Rex Desktop Web Browser Access. Rex Wireless includes a number of months of Rex Desktop service for free with your ToDoMatrix license. Rex Desktop gives a person with an internet-connected PC, Mac, or Linux desktop and a current copy of Microsoft Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox full screen and keyboard access to their ToDoMatrix. Changes made on the web desktop synchronize wirelessly with a person's BlackBerry and vice versa. After the initial period, the optional Rex Desktop service is available for a reasonable fee. Please check the Purchase tab on our website for pricing and included time period information. Sometimes the breadth and depth of features within ToDoMatrix convince some people that the product is not simple enough for their needs. In truth, many of the advanced features such as delegation, dimensions, and others can be turned off in profile preferences, simplifying the operation. ToDoMatrix can easily be used for creating simple lists and folders. All the fields, including due dates and alerts, are truly optional. Later, as a person becomes more proficient, he or she can easily start using additional features. The good news is that no one outgrows ToDoMatrix. People that have used it for several years become die-hard fans. ToDoMatrix is made for the person that realizes that their BlackBerry is the perfect place for tasks management. It is a perfect complement to the unlimited, note field-sized IdeaMatrix. Most people purchase both, then store lasting reference data, full emails and notes about projects within IdeaMatrix while managing the day-to-day flurry of activities within ToDoMatrix. Thanks so much for your time. We hope you read our white paper, download our free trial, and give ToDoMatrix a sincere look. It will help you get more of the best things done while reducing your stress.